Hi, hello everyone. This is Chakit from VAC Global Education. In this video, we are going to discuss about the provincial attestation letter from Canada. So there has been a big news that especially in Ontario, they have banned all these programs which you can see on the screen, which will not get the provincial attestation letter. And major programs are from the business background. So this is a very shocking big news which has come from the Canada. So if you are a student who were planning to study business in Canada, then I don't think now is the right time for you to go to Canada. I've been telling this from my last previous videos also. If you'll go in the past and see that I predicted after having a meeting with one of a senior member of the International Education Society in Canada, that Canada is going to stop the people who are coming for the management programs. They would want people who are coming for STEM programs specifically. So if you are from science, technology, engineering, mathematics, healthcare, if you are from all these backgrounds who are highly in demand in Canada, then only you would be able to get the provincial attestation letter. If you are not from any of these programs, then it will be very hard for you to even make a career in Canada, because Canada has already absorbed hundreds and thousands of students who were doing business courses. If a student is going for a business program, the only program which can help you is the sales program. Apart from that, if you're going to do the office administration course, if you're going for the general business management course, then there is a very high possibility that you would be struggling later on, which Canada do not want, or for that matter, any government would want. They would want that the bright students should come to their country and make a career, and they would be more than happy to help you. So if you have any friends and relatives in Canada, then you can consult with them, then what are the type of jobs which are available there, and that way you would be able to easily decide if this is going to be a good career for me or not. Choose the college which have their own campuses. They are not subletting the small colleges campus, because there the PPP is already banned, which is public private partnership. Means that if you're going to a college who is giving out the classes on a campus which is a privately held campus, then you would not be able to get the post-study work visa. Right now, the biggest opportunity is there for the students who are going for the master's program, because with 1 year master's, you are getting 3 years of post-study work visa. So that is the only program or the level of education where you are eligible to take your spouse along. So this would be the biggest opportunity for anyone who is going for a master's degree. There are almost 70 plus universities which are available in Canada, which you can study from. The better the university you study from, the higher the chances of you getting the PR in the future. Because if you'll calculate the CRS course also, masters has given a high preference in terms of the point allocation. Also, if your university is in the regional area, then you would be able to get the marks for the RNIP. So there are multiple things which can help you get the career sorted for you. So Canada right now is for only the people who are taking smart courses, like for example, artificial intelligence, machine learning. You are going for business analytics course. You are going for the supply chain management. All these courses will have higher demand compared to the general business or business management program. So in my opinion, choose your course wisely so that you would be able to have a secured career. Also, if you need the honest guidance without any filtration, based on your profile, that which program would be best for you and which college would be best for you, which location would be best for you, then you have come to the right place, that you can consult with us. There's a link given in the description through which you can connect with our counselors, and they will understand your profile and give you the best possible solution. So I'm looking forward for your messages on our WhatsApp. The link is in the description, and we shall see you in our next video. Till then, you guys take care of yourself. Bye bye.